3 amazing foods that will extend your life, help you lose weight, and look younger. It's not difficult to like fruits. They are often tasty, flavorful, nutritious, and sometimes even refreshing. However, not all kinds of fruits provide an equal level of nutritional value. Some are healthier than others, and the health benefits that they provide can widely vary. In this video, we will discuss 3 of the most nutritious fruits that you should include in your diet as much as possible. Why? Because these fruits can help you live longer, help you lose some weight, as well as make you look younger. Apples. You've probably heard the saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is somewhat true, because the antioxidant polyphenol found in both the skin and flesh of apples can minimize your risk of getting heart disease and stroke. The skin of the apple even contains 5 times more of this antioxidant compared to the flesh of the fruit, so don't throw it out. Aside from their antioxidant properties, apples are also effective for those who want to lose weight, because its high fiber, a medium apple has 4 grams of fiber, and water content will make you feel full and only add a few calories in your body. Blueberries. Although all kinds of berries provide astonishing health benefits, blueberries are the healthiest kind. In fact, just a single cup of blueberries can give you 4 grams of fiber, 24% of your daily recommended vitamin C intake, 36% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K, and just 15 grams of carbohydrates. With its high level of fiber and low amount of carbohydrates, it can make you feel more satiated without adding too many calories. Blueberries are also a rich source of antioxidants, which means that they can minimize the effects of aging and prevent free radicals from damaging your DNA. Furthermore, not many people know that these fruits can boost your memory, prevent diabetes, and fight urinary tract infection. Avocados. Avocados contain high levels of potassium, vitamin E, iron, and healthy fats. Because of avocado's monosaturated fat, it can contribute to lower bad cholesterol in your body. Meanwhile, its potassium can help regulate your blood pressure and prevent fatigue. In addition to these vitamins and minerals, this fruit also contains vitamins C, B6, and D, which can boost your immunity against diseases and even protect you from certain types of cancer. Although avocados are high in calories compared to the other 2 fruits mentioned above, they are still a must because of their many health benefits. Aside from the simple fact that apples, blueberries, and avocados are delicious and easy to incorporate in your diet, knowing the health benefits of these fruits should give you more than enough reason to consume them every day. However, it is also important to note that you should not limit yourself to eating just these 3 fruits. You also need to consume other fruits and vegetables to get as many nutrients as you can each day. It is never too late to make the healthiest choice for you and your family, so drop those junk food and processed products and eat more natural food items. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.